Get ready to have a fiesta because today we're whipping up a classic steak sandwich with a Mexican twist. This sandwich is full of everything you love: guacamole, zesty ranch dip, cilantro, jalapenos, and last but not least, tender slices of steak. We're making grilled Mexican steak torta. The ingredients needed are top round London broil, French baguette bread, Roma tomatoes, red onion, jalapenos, all thinly sliced, cilantro, creamy chipotle ranch dip, avocados, peeled, pitted, and mashed, zest of a lime, fresh lime juice, and salt and pepper. We're back out on the grill today, and of course, the first step is to prepare your grill for direct cooking over medium-high heat. Season the steak with salt and pepper, and onto the grill it goes for 20 minutes or until the internal temperature reaches 140. This will give us a medium rare cooked steak. Once it's done, remove the steak and transfer to a cutting board. Cover loosely with foil and let it rest for 5 minutes before slicing. While the steak is resting, let's go ahead and move on to our avocados, which I absolutely love. I can eat it on anything. In a small bowl, whisk the avocado, lime juice, and the lime zest together. All right, let's put this sandwich together. On the top cut side of the bread, you're going to spread the creamy chipotle ranch dip, and on the bottom cut side of the bread, spread the avocado mixture. Our steak is ready to add our sandwich together, so let's go ahead and thinly slice it against the grain and lay it on top of the avocado mixture, followed by the jalapenos, tomatoes, onion, and the cilantro. Before we dig in, there's one last step we need to do, and that's cut the sandwich crosswise into quarters and serve. Not only is this sandwich packed with lots and lots of flavor, it's also packed with fresh vegetables and herbs. And don't forget that creamy chipotle dip and the avocado mixture that just brings everything together. This recipe, along with others, are in the summer edition of Price Chopper's Gatherings magazine. Be sure to grab a copy the next time you're in there. And as always, enjoy, and I will see you next time on Fresh Dish Foodie.